up, guys? Welcome back to Rough Builds. Today I'm working on, I finally found a 8.8 rear end, finally, Facebook Marketplace. So I'm taking out the bearings up top. I'm going to install the upper control arms. I've had these for a while. I've just been looking for an 8.8, but I still got to put together, or I got to clean the rear end. I got to degrease it, and I want to paint it and everything because it's got some surface rust and stuff. So right now I just got to get it rolling because I am moving. So I just got to put the rear end in. I got the lowers in and I got the springs here and everything. So I just need to throw the rear end up, bolt it up just so I can roll onto a trailer and we can move into the new garage. As far as everything else goes, I have been purchasing some stuff just here and there. Almost done with the motor. I gotta get new valves for the heads, and then I want to hot tank them. I want to get those all cleaned up. I'm going to leave them, not going to port them, polish them or anything like that, just going to leave them. I'm going to finish the motor up, and then we can throw the motor in. Then I'm just going to get like a stock power glide for now, just to get it rolling around when I need to move it. I know what trans I'm going to go with, so I have that. I just bought a badass fuel system. That's going to be on the way. So pretty much just trying to get her buttoned up, get her running, and then we can go ahead and get turboed. So I don't know why I just did a spin. So I just wanted to show you guys how I get these out. These guys right here, I'm not reusing these. So the easiest way I found out to do is just kind of pound these down a little bit so it like squares it off. Circles it off. And then when they're in there, they slide nice and easy out. When they're in there, they slide nice and easy out. So I just have like a 3-pound mini sledge and like a crowbar. Not even sure where I put the crowbar. So these are what I use. Just put this right on the ear after I pound it out. I pretty much pounded one out just with this. Let's see. I like circled it off a little bit just to make it so to push right out. And I just hit the back of it because it sits like that usually. And then you just hit the back of this and it popped right out. And then if you're having trouble, it has these nice little ears on them. You can just put that right in there and then hit it off a little bit. So now I have the Team Z double adjustable uppers. Got the double adjustable lower control arms over there as well. And then I have the stock springs for the rears, and I got the bolt kit and everything. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just going to put this on the rear end here. I still need to get those lowers off. They're seized, so I got to get like an air hammer and push them out. And then basically just going to put this stuff on, and hopefully sometime soon we'll be able to put this up because I only have about 20 more days before this needs to roll out of here. So I'm just going to throw the stock wheels and tires on it. We'll be able to roll it onto a trailer. So I'm going to go ahead and set up and get these uppers on. So for installation, Team Z has a really good video on this. But basically, you're going to want a washer on this side of the bolt for the heim joint. And then you're going to want one on the opposite side. When you put that through, you're going to put this on when it goes through here. And then you're going to go ahead and tighten it that way. And then those, so this comes apart just like this, and it's held together with this part. So this comes apart like that, and then so that slides right into there, and this one goes into the opposite end, and then you just gotta get that in. So slide this end in, put this through here, put that on like that, push this in, kind of wiggle it around a little bit. There we go. All right, so here's the thing. I didn't record a lot because I was running into problems left and right. So when I put this together, this doesn't quite close. So I looked it up, and pretty much everyone was having the issue that had these. Not everybody, but a lot of people. So I just drilled. It was maybe a 1/4 inch off, so the bolt couldn't go through. So I just took a drill bit and ran it through, and the bolt goes through. So now that's good to go. I had to get off this bracket in order to put these on there, so I did that. But everything, I even torqued these down. These are, I mean, it's as flush as it can get. They're flush against it and everything. And this moved in a little more, but not much. Not completely close to where I'd like it, but like I said, I just took the drill and drilled it out so this can fit, and this isn't gonna move. As you can see, there's probably a 1/4 inch or so where it should be. So like I said, I just took the drill, did that. But everything's on, everything's snug except these bolts here and here, because I wanted to drill those in just to see if it would slide in more, but it did not. So, I mean, everything's on. I'm gonna leave everything loose until I put it up. And then I got one of the lower control arms off. That one's still not. This, you can see that this is seized onto it, so I'm gonna have to get like a torch or a cutoff wheel or something and just cut the heads off these bolts. I think this one's pretty far out too. Yeah, this one is. So I just have to cut the heads off and then just kind of work these out, I guess. I don't know, but this was a pain in the butt. But it looks good. I like it. So I don't know when I'm gonna get this up. I wanna make sure I get those off. Obviously I got the sway bar off. Those are just 2 bolts. But I'm gonna put it on, just roll it over to the house, and it's gonna come right off. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna clean the hell out of it, make it look brand new, spray it so it doesn't rust. I'll probably paint inside there so that piece doesn't rust up. But other than that, I think that's gonna be it for today. So thanks for tuning in. I got a lot of work to do yet, but parts are coming in. Hopefully get this thing running sooner than later, I guess. I still got a lot to do. I gotta order the ECU, and I still need the steering shaft and all that stuff. So in order to, I just have to get it rolling. So I'm probably gonna order the steering shaft first, just to so I can steer it. I don't have brakes, but we need to be able to steer it at least onto the trailer. So that's gonna come up next. I'm gonna start working on the motor more. Like I said, I got parts coming in for the motor. Got to order my lifters. I want to get new valves and get these hot tanked. They're kind of dirty. And I was looking at them today, and the valves and stuff, and the valves are kind of like rusted and stuff. So I'm just gonna get new valves. I have a trunnion kit and some new. I got the platinum kit, the valve spring kit from Brian Tooley. So I got their trunnion upgrade. So I'm gonna upgrade the trunnions in these rockers using the stock rockers. Gonna when I take these off, I want to have the new valves, and then I need to get shims for underneath. I was talking to Lil John Motorsports, so I got to get those, and then basically just got to order a few little things. I need lifters still, but after I get the lifters, then pretty much good to go. I just need to get an alternator bracket, and I think I have to, since I'm going to be running like a stock power glide, just to like roll it around, I think I have to get like a adapter for the Chevy, or a small block Chevy bell housing to fit onto the LS stuff. So just order one of those, get it rolling, and then be able to steer it and stuff, and then hopefully we can start it up. Need a drive shaft still, and I mean, that pretty much sums it up. The car's coming along. I'm finally taking some more time and money and dumping it into it. So like I said, thanks for tuning in. I will catch you guys in the next one.
Found my way through the valley, smoking on Cali. Know when I run out, I'll re-up again. Confronted by demons, believe what you're seeing. I hope you know what you're up against. Fell in love with them flowers, shit give me power.